Today I have a quick update. The following patterns now have a free PDF pattern available. We have Desert Echoes, which has 4 placemats and 4 table runner sizes using 5-inch squares. Then we have the charming Shoo-Fly, which also has 4 placemats and 4 table runner sizes as well, using 5-inch squares. Another is Hopi that has 4 placemats and 4 table runner sizes using 5-inch squares, which all of these you can go ahead and expand to bed size or throw size quilts if you'd like. And lastly, we have my Arrowhead quilt pattern using 10-inch squares in the sizes baby, throw, tween, and king. I will have all of these links down below in the video's description. And other than that, I will see you all Friday.